What's going on, everybody? It's Louie Lugnuts here. Alright, well, I haven't reported in a couple days, so I figured it's time to make a video. What did I say? Well, I said that the market was not going to be able to handle these levels of, resistance. And, pretty much we are experiencing, we're experiencing that this is the last crescent right here. You see that, ladies and gentlemen? This crescent of MACD histo being positive. Well, that's just gonna, and look at here on the our relative strength indicator. We are just all the way down. We are not strong at all. Not strong. I guess that could indicate another run up. But if we were gonna have another run up, I mean, look. Louie Lugnuts is telling you the truth, kids. Don't do drugs. We could have one of these guys. And see how it took a while for it to pass through. But look, it's the opposite. Instead of it going and trying to pass through, it was trying to hold. And now we're failing and we can't even hold below it anymore. Listen. I tell you straight up, guys. I'm going to tell you straight up that, a turning point has happened. So now we've shifted. This is a daily chart. I'm going to pull up dailies for everything. So we've shifted, boys and girls. We've shifted. We were positive on the MACD. Now we're transitioning to negative. Now we could. What's a likely theme in candlesticks and charting is threes, twos, or one big Johnny. So we had one big Johnny sell-off. But look here, we had two itsy bitsy spiders here. We had this lovely move up. You could tell they're two moves, and they're almost identical. That's how you tell if it's a two itsy bitsy spiders, one big Johnny, or three little pigs. That's ways for you to remember it. Ways to remember what's going on with the move. I'm gonna pull up this chart here. This is random. This is today's mover. Did like 160%. Now, this guy had. This is on the daily. On the daily, it exploded. We'll zoom in a little bit. Now it had a little increase here. So, the gist of it is previous runners run. This is taken off topic from the markets, but you'll learn a little bit, guys. We'll pull up an hour chart so you'll get you know what, we want shorter time because this is this happened today. So, and this also shows you that you could take the itsy bitsy spider, three little pigs, and take it everywhere. It's gonna be harder to see it. Let's pull it up on a 1 minute. Not really. I could see it, but let's do a 1 minute. Okay, here we go. Okay, now this move right here, you could call that 2. You can call it 1. We're calling it 1 in my books. So we had one big Jimmy. This one move here. You see that, everyone? This one move here, this first move up. Now we had another Jimmy. So if you saw this one Jimmy, you said, fuck, I gotta get in, and you got in, good. You were rewarded with this little Jimmy. Now you had another third little Jimmy. Break above the high, you see it right here. And then usually they don't go more than 3. So 3 little pigs went to the market, and those motherfuckers got shot and killed, so they didn't come home. And there you go. AMTX. Guys, I don't think it's gonna go anymore. Keep it on your watch list. You never know. But anyway, that was a nice little story time with Michael Rulis, 3 little pigs. You can go fuck yourself. Now, let's get back to the serious shit. All in all, indicators are curling. It looks like it wants to go up on the daily, baby, please, but does not look too pretty over at the Dow Jones. Looks flat and ugly. And here, look. Again, I think S&P and NASDAQ look similar. They do look similar. But here, look here. See, the S&P could go for another jimmy up, and that would make it pretty much, you know, it would be a nice run to the pattern. It would you could gamble it this way. You know, especially we got this green candle here. But the markets follow each other. So we're looking at the NASDAQ because the NASDAQ has been leading the pack. And, you know, first of all, everyone was looking at the Dow saying, oh, the Dow's not the market, but, you know, be like, how's the market doing? Oh, it's up 300 points. Well, they're talking about the Dow, not the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ's the most important. You should be looking at the NASDAQ, not the Dow. Anyway, it all depends, though, on what your portfolio looks like and what you trade. So, you know, you could have more industrials or financials. That's in the Dow. You know, if you have more tech companies, it's probably in the NASDAQ. Anyway, so, oh, my cat's here. You want to get in the video? Psst, 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 yeah. Yeah, come in the video. Ooh, you like your belly rubbed? No, you don't. Come here. Come here. Come here. Meow. Come here. Psst, 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 psst. Say hello to everyone, little Whitey. It's okay. Look, there you go. Yeah. Yeah, this is what I look at every day, buddy. Yeah. Oh, he's starting to purr? Yeah, he don't like this position. Yeah, it's okay. You sit down. It's okay, sit. Relax. It's okay. Alright, guys. So, I think the market has to come down now. They can't prop it up any longer. They can't. They can't. You know, we might be able to go more. Like I was talking about with the S&P 500, the middle chart. You know, it could possibly do another ring up, but the Nasdaq's completely done up. We're looking for a fall here. We might not get one, but I'm pretty sure it's going to happen. I'm pretty sure it's going to fall like this. You know, and it's not like a quick unjustified movement. It's completely just too high, and it's going to fail to support. Monday, we might get a really bad day Monday. You know, could be like bloody Monday. He's trying to get away. There you go. Go on. Oh, Jesus Christ. Well, you know, this cat pees if you don't do what he wants. So, you know what? I wish I could pause the video. But I can't. So, any final last words? Monday, I think we can expect a move lower. You know, if we do happen to bounce higher, then, you know, then that won't last for long. We're gonna do the same thing. If we end up going higher, we're gonna pop up here. If you know, 7,800 level, but we're not going higher. This market's coming down. Monday, if there might be some big selling right now at the end of the day. That's usually when the selling goes through. So look, it wants to curl up, but it's not. It's going to curl down. That's pretty much what we're looking at. Hang in, Whitey. Hang in there. Again, so it's going to just curl and fail this. I don't think we'll be able to push higher off this move. I just don't see it. There's just no way. You know? Alright, well that's it for today's video. Maybe I'll make another one later, or maybe on Sunday. I'll see you guys. But yeah, I don't think there's any way this market will survive. This is the strongest it's been. Look, the CCI's popped up. There's no way we can sustain this. It's coming down. Alright, thank you ladies and gentlemen. Louis Lugnuts here, taking off.